Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturally Hema. Today I'm making a Tamil brahmin sambar using Chakkarakutti mangoes. And I'm also cooking it in a soapstone dish also called as chatti. Did you know that the sambar which we so dearly enjoy as a South Indian cuisine was not part of it almost till 17th century? So here is how the story goes. Sambhaji was Martha king who was ruling Tanjavur in 17th century. One of his favorite foods was amti. It's a dish made with dal which is cooked with kokum and spices. Living in Tanjavur, kokum had to be imported to his palace. And one of the days, they ran out of kokum. And Sambhaji, being a very good cook himself, he wanted to experiment and see if he could substitute kokum with tamarind. Guess what was born? A delicious dish which is a heartthrob of South India till date. Now you see the connection? Sambhaji, sambar. Yep. A big thanks to Sambhaji for giving us this delicious sambar. And here is how we make it today. The specialty of the soapstone dish is that it can absorb heat and retain heat for a longer period of time, which means that it actually continues to cook after you have switched off the stove. This vessel should not be kept on the stove empty. You cannot fry foods in this, but any food that can be cooked which is in liquid form can be cooked in it. So if you haven't discovered a soapstone dish or a chatti so far, check your grandma's kitchen. Most probably you'll have a very well seasoned chatti waiting for you. I know it is fragile. I know it will break if you drop it on the floor once. But you know what survived the Titanic crash? A beautiful china vase, which was very, very fragile. So what's stopping us from using a soapstone dish? Hope you all enjoyed watching the video today. Do subscribe to my channel for a lot of fun facts and interesting stories about food. Thank you so much for watching.